Nighttime. Sarah sits alone on the kitchen floor, lights off. An empty pizza box next to her. She stares at her reflection in the oven door. Tears roll down her face as she whispers, "Why can't I stop doing this to myself?" Dim light, emotional music, slow close-up of Sarah's face. This was the night Sarah hit rock bottom. The night she realized her pain wasn't just on the outside. It was inside, too. Sarah wasn't just fighting weight, she was fighting depression, stress, loneliness. Every time life felt hard, she turned to food. It numbed the pain, but only for a while. At work, she laughed at jokes about weight. But when she got home, she cried in the shower so no one could hear. Sarah wiping fogged mirror, looking at herself exhausted. She didn't hate herself. She hated feeling stuck, like her body was a prison she couldn't escape. During a regular checkup, her doctor looked serious. "Sarah, you're pre-diabetic. Your blood pressure is high. If nothing changes, you could face heart problems in the next few years." Sarah sat there frozen. Sarah's face, tears welling up in eyes. She walked out of the clinic shaking. She thought of her daughter, her future. And suddenly, fear turned into fire. That night, Sarah wrote a letter to herself. "I'm done living like this. I'm ready to fight. For my health. For my happiness. For my life." Pen writing on paper, emotional music rises. That letter became her promise, her first step toward freedom. Sarah didn't start with an extreme plan. She started with 5-minute walks every single day. Drinking water before every meal. 1 home-cooked meal a day. 10 minutes of journaling at night. Sarah tying sneakers, pouring water, cooking vegetables. It wasn't glamorous. It wasn't perfect. But it was real. There were nights she slipped. Nights she ate the chips. Days she skipped her walk. But instead of giving up, she told herself, "One bad day doesn't erase all my progress." Sarah crying, then slowly getting up and taking a walk under the stars. Progress is built on persistence, not perfection. Weeks turned into months. Her body started changing, but so did her mind. She smiled more, slept better, felt lighter inside and out. After a year, Sarah had lost 50 pounds, but she had gained something much bigger. Confidence, peace of mind, the ability to chase her daughter around the park. Before/after montage. Sarah running with her daughter, laughing, glowing. She didn't just lose weight. She lost fear. She lost excuses. She lost the version of herself that didn't believe in change. Sarah faces the camera and says, "If you're watching this and you feel hopeless, please don't give up. Your journey doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to start. Take one step today. Your future self will thank you." Emotional, uplifting music. Sunrise shot. Sarah standing tall, smiling proudly. You don't need to wait for a doctor's warning. You don't need to wait for rock bottom. You just need to start. Thank you for watching Green Heart. If Sarah's story gave you hope, share it with someone who needs it, like thumbs up, and subscribe for more powerful life-changing journeys.